Hi, grade 5, Qatari syllabus. Today it will be a review in your book, Top Stars grade 5. But before I will go to our review today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our review today. Today I will make a quick review on your book, Top Stars, for the units that we learned during this term. Let's go to the first unit. Today I will review module 1. Okay, next class I will review module 2. Here we have questionnaire. Here is in this unit we have some vocab. Let's learn it together. Questionnaire. Here is portrait. Math is the abbreviation of mathematics. He is called math. Middle. Geography. Make a cake. Science. Practice science. The science is the field of or the field that learn about body, about the person, human, about the birds. All these the categories or the things that we learn in this subject. Okay, here is practice science. Information technology is called IT. IT. When we say when someone saying you are an engineer, IT engineer. This is the meaning of IT, information technology. Okay, go Polish, English, watch TV and a DVD. You can say watch TV or a DVD. Here is we have art, we have play board games, we have history, do a puzzle, we have physical education. This is the abbreviation of PE, which is physical education. Here is bored. I would like to say that that the adjectives of describing the emotion of person must be followed by ed, like bored, like excited, like like excited, like bored, like interested. All this adding ed to the adjective to describing the emotions of the person. When we talk about emotions or about things, we say this book, or for example, I give you the example to learn the adjective of ing. When you say this book is boring or this film is boring, so I describe the film or the book is boring. So I adding ed to ing to the adjective. But here when we say I'm bored, so I describing my emotion is a person. Okay, this is the difference between ing form and ed form adjective. Let's continue the rest of the vocab here in this part. Here we have reporter. I think all of us know reporter. Experiment, interview, competition, drive bus, coach. Here is town center, clap, go around town, doing exercise, wait, official language means the main language of the country. Okay, like you live in Arab countries, so the main or official language of our country, or the mother tongue of our country, it will be what? It will be here Arabic. Here we have early. Here we have wait. We have early. We have Arabic. We have late. Late and early are opposite words. We have early and late is the opposite of early. Here we have Arabic connection. Here is we have swimming, religion, skateboarding. Here is we have capital letter. We can say we can replace capital letter by what? By uppercase. We can say when we talk about the capital or small letter, we say uppercase also, and lowercase is the modern English. Now we use this idiom. So have uppercase and lowercase, and we can say also capital letter and small letter. Both are correct. Belay golf. Let's go to another item here. Here we have the pronunciation OI. We say coin, boil. We say here coin, boil. We say here toys, boy, toys and boy. Okay, let's go to another one. Here we talk about the information questions, which is who, what, where. When we talk about who, I talk about a subject person. We use who to ask about subject person. When we ask with what, so when we ask with who, I ask about subject person. When we use what, I ask about something. Where, to ask about the place. So I give examples for every one of these keywords. Here we say, who's your favorite teacher? So I ask here about the person that is your favorite teacher. We can say Mr. White or Mr. Or Mrs. Mona or Mr. Ahmed or anyone. Okay. So when I say who's your favorite teacher, so here I ask about the person. Let's go to another item, another keywords question, which is what? What is your full name? It will be here Tom John. Or what's your date of birth? We say 20 is here. We say when we ask about your birth date, I say 27 November 2008. Or we can use what as another expression. We say what is this? It's a table. It's anything. So here we say when we use what to ask about something. Where to ask about place like this one. Where do you live? 22 Plant Street, Leeds. This is the place or the address that I live in. Here we ask when we talk about how often do you do the action. So here I ask about how many times that I do this action, or how the number of times that, or the how many times that I do this action or this habit. We say how often do you space here. We say here once a week. We have twice a week, 3 times a week, every day. So here I ask about the period of time, or the how many times that I do this action. Once a week, twice a week, 3 times every day, and so on. Here in this unit, we talk about the tense that I explained more and more, and I think I explained in the previous year from grade 1 till grade 4, and we know it very well, which is called the present simple tense. And we know this present simple tense used for what? Used for habits, permanent states, and general truths. Okay, or we say, I will make it in simplest way, we use the present tense to express habits, facts, and routines. Okay, this is the what we want from this tense, or what we must know about this tense. So when we ask about the present simple tense, or we use the present simple tense to describe 3 cases: habits, facts, and routines. And facts, this is called general truths. So general truths means facts. Okay, habits, I think habits and routines. Here we say here permanent states means routines. Okay, also can replace it by routines. So here I would like to say something, that when we use the adverbs of frequency in simple tense, we must put it between the subject and the verb, like this sentence. We say, I always go to school. So here I put the adverb of frequency between the subject here and the verb. I would like to know this rule. Okay, must do it like this. When you say, I say here, I always go to school by bus, or I say I sometimes go to school by bus, or I never go to school by bus. So here I put here the adverb of frequency between the subject and the verb, like this one. Let's go to another one. He works in a hospital. So he is a doctor. She's a doctor. No, not he. She works in a hospital. So she is a doctor. She is a doctor. So she works. So her task, or her work, or her job, it will be in hospital. Okay. The Earth rotates the sun. I think it's a fact. You can't change it. Okay. Earth is fact, or sun rises every day. All these facts can't be changed. Okay, let's go to another one here. When we talk about the verbs, or the verbs of sentences, like see, feel, look, smell, taste, sound, all these must be used in simple tense only. You can't use it in continuous tense. Okay, this is called the verbs of sense. See, feel, look, smell, taste, sound. Okay, you say he feels sick today. So what is the formula of the present simple tense? It will be adding s to the verb. I can put s to all the pronouns. No, we have pronouns that take s and others don't take s. Like what? Are you, we, they don't take s. He, she, it take s, like this one. Okay. And we can do it as we know in the plural nouns. We have some ends in the words that must be adding es, like say goes, mixes. So here we have, when we end o, I put es, like this one. When we end with ch, I say watches. I say here buses, or I say here mixes. Okay, all these can be adding es to the verb. If we have a y, I omit the y, like this one. Here we have a vowel sound, a vowel. So I omit I and adding ies to the verb. But here can't omit y, like this one, to be here by. Okay, here we don't have a vowel. There the previous letter, it will be d. So adding es to the verb. Here we can't replace y. Why? Because here we have a vowel, and I can't replace y by ies and adding s only to the verb. So I would like to remember with me the adverbs of frequency that refers to the present simple tense. It will be here usually, always, sometimes, often, never, really, every, at the weekend, on Mondays. I would like to say something that the habit happened in 100%. We use always in the habit that happened in 100%. Happen doesn't happen at all. We say never, it's 0%. So the action happened in 100%. We use always. The action didn't happen at all. It will be never, and it will be 0%. Let's go to another example to study another example here. Here we say, I play tennis every day. So here I put don't play. So here this is have misunderstanding here. Why? Because we with I and you we say don't putting s. So when I put don't, so the verb it will be in the same regularly, okay, without doing anything, okay. When we say he goes to school by bus, so when I replaced when I use the negative form by adding doesn't and put the verb in here, we put the verb in what? In the scheme form. So I would like to say if we put goes here, some of you saying Miss Min, if we say doesn't and putting goes here, it will be here. I would like to know that is to be 0. Why 0, Miss Iman? Why 0? Can you say me why 0? Because as we told you before, that does is replacement of s. So the verb here, when we use the helping verb doesn't here or didn't when we take the past simple, so the verb it will be in the infinitive form, must return to the infinitive form. Okay, so doesn't here must the verb go to the steam. If we do this in the exam, it will be 0. You must know this. Okay. Let's continue the rest of our lesson of our unit today, because I don't want to feel bored from me. Okay, I would like to feel enjoy. I would like to make our lesson interesting to understand what I explain you. Okay, do you play tennis every day? So when I ask with yes, when I reply with yes, I say yes I do, or no I don't. Does he go to school by bus? Yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. Here is called the present progressive or the present continuous. Say we have double meaning, present continuous or present progressive. Both are correct. So what can I do this? What is this tense expressing? This tense expressing the action that is happening at the time of speaking. What is the formula of this tense? It will be I take, am, he, she, it take, he, she, it take, is, you, we, they, take, are. So here is the abbreviation of this verb or verb to be, and can write it as it is and write it as it is. Both are correct. But and adding to the verb ing form. Okay, we say here, right? Say I'm studying now. So what the things that I'm doing now? I'm studying, or I'm playing football, or I'm visiting my parents. Okay, or I'm visiting I'm visiting my parents now, or I'm visiting my grandparents now. Anything. So here, when we ask about action happening at the time of speaking, I use the present continuous tense. So must know this. Okay, let's go to another one here. It will be I take, am, he, she, it take, is, you, we, they, take, our. Here is we say when I talk about continuous tense, here we have e, I omit e and adding ing to the verb, like this: taking, stopping. Here we have vowel sound, and I make the letter double. Is like this one: stopping, traveling. Travel can be written as one L or double L. Both are correct. Okay. Lying, it will be here. I omit IE by lying, YING. Okay. So here we have the keywords of this tense. It will be here now, at the moment, today. All these the keywords of the present continuous tense. Let's go to know how to use this tense in different forms, in the negative form and in the question form. In the negative form, we can't do anything because we have here not and put the verb in ing form, and this is not have no changing here. Why? Because here I use not and put the verb in the with ing form. No, I don't use doesn't and put the verb in the infinitive like we do in the present simple. Here in the present continuous, I put not and I put the verb like this one. It will be here, I'm not studying, or he isn't playing. Here we have the question form. It will be am I or is he or she it plus verb, or are you they do plus the verb and ing. Here we say when we use the question form, I do it like this example. Let's study this example to know more about this rule. Here we say, are you playing tennis now? So here I ask about what is the action that are you doing now? We can say, replying by yes, I am, or no, I am not. Here we say, is he studying English now? We can't study English now. We can say, if I'm not studying English now, I say, no, he isn't. He is studying what? He's studying French, he's studying science, he's studying mathematics, any subject, okay? If I study English now, I say, yes, he is. Here we have another form, another expression must note here in this lesson, which is good at or bad at. And I would like to say something that good at and bad at must be followed by ing like this one. We have here, I'm good at skateboarding. Here I'm good at skateboarding. Skateboarding. I'm bad at skateboarding. So sorry, not skate. Skateboarding. I'm good at skateboarding. I'm bad at skateboarding. I go to another item here, which is what's matter. When we use this expression, I ask about something wrong with you, like you are sick or you are feeling something wrong with you. So when I meet my friend or my classmate or anyone that I know it or my friend, I think I see him that is sick, or I know that my friend or my classmate is sick. I say, what is matter? We can say I'm ill. So here I'm sick or I'm ill. So here I know that we have, or I have a headache. Okay. So all these describing the matter or the wrong with you. Okay. We can use this expression. We can use another expression, which is when I see someone sick or ill or have anything bad with him, we say, what's wrong with you? Okay, we say, what's wrong with you? Or say, what is the matter? Okay, both are correct. Okay, we talk about the we can say the mood of the person. Okay, the mood of the person. Okay. People say, what is the matter, Ali? I'm bored. You can say, I'm bored. He isn't sick, but he isn't sick, but he feels bored. Okay, he feels bored. Okay, let's go to another one here, which is suggestion or something that I suggest you to do. When we say, let's go to the park, or let's play, or let's do something new. So all these, the suggestion that we ask to do with me. Say, let's go, let's play, let's read, and so on. Okay, so here say this is the expression of suggestion. When we agree with someone, and I agree with someone in the idea or something idea or something that I agree with someone. I saying what? I saying sure or great idea. When I agree with someone in thinking or in idea that we have, that he have or he or she have, we say great idea or sure. When I would like to refuse or disagree with this idea or this opinion, I say no thanks. Okay, this is the polite refusing. We say no thanks. Okay. By this item, we end from module 1. Next class, I will review module 2. I hope you benefit and enjoy our video today. Don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos, and to benefit from what we explain. I hope you will done in your exam test. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.